How to fix Galaxy Watch Active won't turn on. One of the common problems a Samsung Galaxy Watch Active owner may encounter is the one we're discussing. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Galaxy Watch Active won't turn on all of a sudden. If your Galaxy Watch Active won't turn on, and you have no idea why, it's possible that the battery may have drained completely. When this happens, your device may not display the charging indicator right away when you charge it. Make sure to charge your Galaxy Watch Active for up to 30 minutes before checking again. Make sure to check the charger as well. There are cases that the problem comes from the charger itself. You can try and use it on other devices if it's functional. By doing it, you can skip other further troubleshooting steps if it's the problem. If your Galaxy Watch Active still won't turn on at this point, the next move for you is to try to restart it. This is usually effective in fixing devices that got stopped. If your watch is frozen or has become unresponsive, this may help. This method may likely work in this situation. Remember, it will reset the device to its default, and you have set up everything from scratch. There's another method to reset your Samsung watch as well, by pressing both hardware buttons at the same time for a few seconds. Then choose the recovery using the power/home button and wait for it to reboot the device. It will take a few minutes to finish. That's it. We hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe for more Samsung Galaxy Watch Active videos.